Hello everyone, welcome to SM Education Services. And if you're still looking for MBBS seat, the final date for MBBS admission, that was 15th of January, that is over. But still, if you're looking for MBBS seat, you are not satisfied with any other courses like BDS and all, then still you have a final chance. The golden opportunity is waiting for you. For those candidates who have registered for particular states like Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and for those who are qualified, first you have to be NEET UG qualified. And even though you haven't registered for a particular state, then you have option to go ahead and register for Tamil Nadu state. The fresh registration is available there. It has started from today and it will go on until 30th. So we have couple of days of time for registration. The candidate who had done the registration for Karnataka State Counseling KEA, and they haven't downloaded the verification slip, so for them also the option is still available to get a good private medical college MBBS seat. And for Tamil Nadu states, I've already explained in prior video in detail. I will reiterate here that the seats are available in private institutions in Tamil Nadu for MBBS, and those seats are basically for NRI quota, and the institution will give you the seat after converting the NRI quota into management seats. So you don't have to have the NRI certificates with you, because those are NRI lap seats. So those seats are still available for you. You can do the fresh registration, and for the paid services you can call us to the number given on the description on the screen, and our counselor will guide you to get the seats through the counseling process. So in the both the states, for few colleges the seat is available, and you can get the seat in minimum budget. Okay, I won't tell you that you will get particular amount, but that you will come to know when you contact us. So we will work for you, and that's why we do charge up for our paid services. Okay, so if you're still looking for the admission, I will show you few notification in this video. Here you can see the notification that got published today. So MBBS vacancy is there in NRI lab seat under management quota in self-financing, that is nothing but private medical colleges in simple word, and BDS seat is also available in private colleges. So the candidates who have already registered for those private colleges in Tamil Nadu state, and Tamil Nadu is open state, it means the candidates coming from other state like Rajasthan, UP, Gujarat, Maharashtra, or any other state, those candidates are eligible officially to participate into the process for admission for the remaining seats, that is NRI lab seat for MBBS course. And you have to do the fresh registration. It has started today and it will go on until 30th, that already mentioned. The candidate who have already registered and their name is already available in the merit list, they don't need to apply again. If you apply again, the system will show that you have already registered. So it's happening through their official notification. So once you go ahead for the doing registration for Tamil Nadu State Counseling for private NRI lab seat, you have to follow these steps. User registration, then after registration you need to log in. You have to fill all the personal information that they will ask you in the form, and then they will ask you the special reservation information. If you come under some quota, then you have to do the payment details for registration and all. School of study, where you have studied from, your academic details and all they will ask. You need to upload your photograph and signature. You can preview your application before submitting it, and then you can download. So you have to have the PDF that shows that you have successfully registered, and this is the link on the bottom. You can see click here for new registration. So you can go over to this link and you can go ahead and register. So you call us if you need any kind of assistance, or if you want to increase the chance to get the seats, because seats are very limited and there are so many candidates, I believe, because once I put this video on in the YouTube channel, a lot of calls will be coming to us. So I suggest you to call us only if you are interested to subscribe to our paid services and really interested to get admission into MBA seat, because this is not the time when you go for doing inquiry. The counseling is already over. This process is additionally given after consent from the court that for the remaining seats, because for Tamil Nadu state particularly, the second round of counseling had happened, and after that nothing had happened. So it was going with very slow pace and it was delayed, and by the time the 15th January came, they haven't completed the complete process. They should have done in 3 phases and then a stray vacancy. So they had so many seats left out, and for that they have to do the process again. So I will tell you how to do and what to do and how you can get the college. And coming over to Karnataka private medical colleges, few colleges are there where the seats are available. I had already posted few videos from last week, and the court has given that go ahead signal, green signal to the colleges, so they can go ahead and do the allotment on those remaining 105 seats. So it's golden opportunity and the last opportunity for you. So if you are still watching the video, I would ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because for UG and other IUS courses the video will keep coming, and if you are really interested for other courses, then keep subscribe our channel. And so have a good day and bye.